And on this one, we're going to do a video on creating a blog. I've done a few blogs over my time, earned good money off some of them. They don't always take off, but that's to do with content. I use Blogger because it's the easiest. WordPress is supposed to have a lot more tools, but it's more complicated and it's not free. So you have to sign in first. I should be signed in on this. I'm hoping on a choose that one. So whenever you start, you choose your new blog. Title: How to create a blog. So that's the title of your blog. And then you want your address. Sorry. So it'll tell you whether it's available or not. So I'll just put something stupid in, like a percentage sign. Nope. Try something different. It can be hard to find one. Yeah, that was available. That's a new one on me. I've never seen that one before, but it's the readers of a blog will see that name. So once you press finish, it will create the blog. And that's it. That's your main blog pages. You want to read them. I didn't bother reading them then. They're new as well since the last created one. So this is all your, so you can view your blog there. If you view it now, there'll be nothing in it. Settings. The only really ones you want to be messing about with are at the bottom. So search description. So just put in there whatever you want. It's good for SEO. And that is really all I'll mess about with on there. There might be something I'm missing, but there's a lot to it. Let's go through it. You can set your theme. I usually choose one of these. What will stick with what it is. The layout. So you can add things and take things away. I don't usually have the About Me page. So remove it. You can add HTML, AdSense, lots of good stuff in there. You want to go through that and learn it all. Lists, contact forms, Wikipedia, blog stats. I do usually have that, but at the bottom there, blog stats. And then pages, you can create different pages. So instead of just having one, you'll have different pages here, like about. So you can build a website as well. Earnings, when you got your AdSense on. Stats, when you get in figures. But to create your first post, you go to posts. Sorry, no, you go to new post. Basically, create good content and put a good search description as well, and that's how you get good SEO. So just type it in. Obviously you want to use headings because that's good for SEO, so you put a major heading at the top and then slowly work your way down. Change the font size, font type, reverse, so you can go back if you make a mistake, or go forward if you want to bring it back. It's a useful tool. You can switch to HTML to compose, so if you want the HTML version, which can be useful sometimes, I don't use it much, then I think this one is bold, yeah, italics, underscore, you have to select it first to underscore it, obviously, like with most things. Then you got colour, and that one I've never used, so you can select a colour for drawing by the looks of it. If you want to add a link, that's really useful. So say if you were a link, just link to it, so the text it will display, and then it will go to that link and open in a new window. Is always a good idea. Then attach your photo. You can either get it from a URL inside the blog, your photos, which is Google Photos, or you can upload it from your computer. Videos, you can upload it from computer or go to YouTube. Anyway, tangled there for some reason, but you will be able to do that when you've all set up. That one I've never seen. Silly emojis. Oh, you can add the search bar, which is good. Line left. Spot. I don't know what you call that, but where you make little. Oh no, that's that one. So you just like press that, and it'll list it like that. Bulletin points. Quoted text, and the rest I don't really know about, to be honest. I only know the basics myself, so that is it really. Create a good title, create good content, put a good search description, and you will get good traffic. I've got blogs that have done millions of views, so it's all about the content, your search description and your titles. Don't put too many photos in, otherwise Google sees it as a photo dump. Just put 1, 2, 3 photos with at least 400 words of text, and you will make a good, successful blog, as long as the content is interesting. And obviously if you want to publish it, you just click publish. We'll view blog again, and there it is. The first post, but it's got nothing in it, obviously, because I didn't do anything. And if you want to delete it, you have to go into settings again. And remove your blog. It holds it for 90 days though. You can permanently delete it or undelete. And that is it. Easy. Really good bloggers.